In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit tags on your Shopify store quickly and easily. Tags help organize your products and make it easier for customers to find items in your store. So let's jump right in. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Products. This will open your complete product list. From here, you can either scroll through your inventory or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the product you want to edit. Once you find the product, click on its name to open the product details page. Now look toward the right-hand side of the screen where you'll see the tags section. This is where you can add, remove or edit tags connected to your product. To add a new tag, simply click inside the tags box and type the keyword you want to use. For example, you could add tags like summer collection, handmade bestseller, or gift idea depending on your product. If you want to remove an existing tag, just click the small X next to the tag name. Tags are useful because they help organize products, create automated collections, and improve search filtering inside your store. After making your changes, don't forget to click the Save button located at the top right corner of the page. Once saved, your updated tags will be applied immediately. And that's it. You've successfully edited product tags in Shopify. Thanks for watching and happy selling.